Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 139 Southeast Curran Street, Decatur, Oregon 97023. Current time is 8:20 a.m. on July 18th, 2022. The house is facing east. I'm on the west side of the house where I've located a 4-inch cast iron cleanout here. There is a street in the back of the property where your city water shutoff is located, and I'm assuming that there's most likely a sewer there because the clean out and the lateral seems to exit the home on this side and then go towards that area, although it may make a turn and go out towards the east, but we'll be seeing that here shortly. This is where I'll be entering the line. So as you can see, I have the head of my camera downstream facing towards downstream towards the main. I'm going to go ahead and zero out my foot counter. As you can see, we're still in 4-inch cast iron. There's some sludge buildup, some corrosion, which is common. So I'm going to go ahead and begin the scope. And the purpose of this inspection is, again, to determine the overall condition and serviceability of this lateral. At 7 feet, we transition now from cast iron to concrete. A little bit of root there coming through. This looks like it's just a sludge, something stuck to the sidewall. And we just went down in some water there. And I'll shut the water off when I come back. And another root intrusion, more significant. Another root intrusion. And then we transition now to what looks like 3034. And at 63 feet, we now hit the city main. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back to these roots and try and locate here. So I'm just going to go to this root here. Yep, to that root there. And I'm just going to mark this, and then I'm going to go to the last root, or the very first root that we came to, and mark there. So that full section of pipe needs to be looked at, because there's also standing water in an area, which means it's most likely a reverse slope. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Okay, I'm back. I've located this section here at 46 feet. I've marked it with white, so now I'm just going to... So there's another root there. Another root there, 31 feet, and here's the standing water area. It's somewhat receded, but still there. And then there's the root that I found there at 23 feet. That's the one I'm going to mark there. Well, I didn't pause the video, sorry about that. But I did mark that at 23 feet. Now I'm just going to come back from here. Okay, this concludes the sewer line camera inspection for this property. As you saw with me going to and from the main, there are at least several root intrusions, and then there's a looks like a reverse slope in the concrete that's causing some standing water. So I've marked from 23 feet to 46 feet out on the going towards the southwest side of the property, and so this does fail the sewer line camera inspection. I will have a written report and this video upload for you and your realtor to view. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.